To find suitable frequency programs for you, please select Start Search on the Start screen. Here you can, for example, enter the name of a Healy frequency program that you already know, or a certain symptom, a body part, or an organ. In our case, we will search for the term intestine. You are shown a list of all Healy programs recommended by our experts for the bioenergetic balancing of the intestine. Select the program of your choice by pressing plus. This program will automatically be added to the My Program list in the background. Here you can also remove previously found frequency programs by clicking here on Edit and then removing it here. Using My Programs or from within the search function, you can directly start the program by clicking on Play. The HealAdvisor app will be minimized automatically and your Healy app will open. You can then start the chosen frequency program with one click. Please make sure that your Healy is switched on so that the Healy app can immediately connect and start the selected program.